What's going on? It's Sean. We're back at it again. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can live for free in your own home.
Here we go.
If you are finding my channel for the first time, we're all about self-help and entrepreneurship. So if that's something that interests you, I encourage you to hit that subscribe button. With that out of the way, let's jump right into it. So no one likes paying rent or paying their mortgage, which is why I choose not to. And before I go any further, let me explain. There is a technique out there called house hacking where you can live or even get paid to live in your own home. I'm going to break that down right now. So there are many ways to house hack, and I'm going to be going over how to do that in a single family home because I feel like most of the viewers that are going to be watching this video are going to be living in a single family home. And don't worry, I'll cover the other ways to do this in future videos, so make sure you stick along for the journey. So when I say house hacking, I mean basically just renting out the other rooms or units that you have in your home. So for this example, let's say you have a single family home and you have a 4-bedroom home. Let's say it's just you or you and your spouse, and you are living in this home and you're using up 1 bedroom. Well, you have 3 other bedrooms you could potentially be making money off of. So in this example, if you rented out the other 3 rooms, you could have your mortgage paid for or potentially even get paid to live in your own home. And I know you may be thinking, well, that's easier said than done. And yes, that's true. But if it were easy, everyone would do it. So I guess, do you want to live for free, or do you want to make money just living in your own home or not? So let's use some numbers to help break this down further. Let's say your mortgage payment is $2,000 and you rent each one of those 3 rooms out for $1,000. You're going to be gaining rent of $3,000 per month every month, and your mortgage is only $2,000. That leaves you with $1,000 left over in positive cash flow. Now, there are other expenses that you're going to have to calculate. Obviously, vacancy, which is, if someone's not renting at the time, or repairs, or property management if you don't want to fix broken toilets at 3 a.m. like I choose not to. But I'll go over all of those calculations in future videos. But this is a really quick example of how you can get paid to live in your own home, or at the very least break even. With the mortgage rates how they are right now, you're going to be able to buy a lot more home with a lower monthly payment, so you can use this to your advantage. You may be overpaying for said home because the prices have risen as well. However, if you're going to intend to keep this property as an investment property, single family or not, then why not do it? It doesn't matter because you're going to be holding on to this piece of property for the long term. So if the value fluctuates, it really shouldn't affect you because it should be bringing you money every month. So that was a really quick breakdown of how to house hack in a single family home. Again, I'm going to break down more property types and how you can house hack in different style properties. So again, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. This helps YouTube know that it's a good video and pushes out to other people, and you may never know who needs to see it. So I appreciate all your support. I'll catch you next time. Signing off.